Welcome back. This is Shirley Davis, and I'm back to do another video. I want to welcome back all my subscribers and welcome to my new viewers. Thank you for taking the time to stop by my channel. This is a channel where we talk about my top stocks. We also talk about crypto from time to time, but tonight we're going to talk about stocks. Okay. So today the RobinHood portfolio was down 1.54%. So it was pretty much a down day. We were down 1%, but there was a few bright spots and really interesting. We had the ticker symbol SNAP, or SNAP, was up 3.91%. So that was pretty good. SNAP has been down about 10% since the last quarter reports. So this stock could get back to $70 per share, but it's trading at $55 per share. The next stock that saw really good peaks today was ticker symbol MTTR, or Matterport. Matterport was up 21% on the day. This is the 3D modeling type company. So let me read you the overview. It says Matterport operates as a spatial data company that focuses on digitizing and indexing the built world. The firm's product includes 3D content platform with cameras, 360 cameras, and virtual reality and mobile apps. So this is Matterport. It serves as a residential real estate, engineering, construction, travel, and commercial real estate sectors. The company is headquartered in Sunnyvale, California. So Matterport today was up 21% on the day. They was up after hours too, but Matterport was pretty much up there. And then the last stock in my RobinHood today is Rivian. Rivian, we saw spiked again today. The electric EV Maker, ticker symbol RIVN, was up 17% on the day. It still surges since its IPO. It opened about $78 on last Wednesday, and today it's still up 17%. So those are the three top stocks in my RobinHood. I always like to look at the forecast for each stock. So always check out moneycnn.com and use the quote. I'll leave the link below, but like if I'm looking at a price target on a stock, this is where it's headed. For example, right here is Blink, and its price target is 45. Matterport has a price target of $30. But again, this is a 12-month forecast by just 5 analysts. And notice how tight the forecast, the difference is. There's not a whole lot for the 12-month forecast between the current median price and the high price for Matterport. So today it jumped up quite a bit. So I'll think it's going to reset before I buy some more Matterport. And then the other ticker symbol was SNAP. SNAP does have a large upside. Last quarter, it did hit this $75, but since then it has reset back down to 53, 55 per share. So SNAP still has a little ways to go to get back to 75. So you can always check out CNN Money Forecast if you have thoughts about, is it time to enter a stock or is it time to just wait and hold? Okay, so those were some of the stocks we looked at today in the RobinHood. And let me look in these stories real quick to see if there's anything. See a whole lot. One Tesla story. Renaissance and other big hedge funds increase its stakes in the Tesla in Q3. So Renaissance hedge fund increases its stake in Tesla. So that's good news. If you first time watching this channel, I'm a big Tesla investor. It's one of my largest positions. It's over 25% of my portfolio in Tesla. So if I see articles about that, I generally like to just check it out. So That's Tesla news in Reuters. Okay, so let me take a look at my other top stocks of the day. Top stock, BLNK or Blink Charging. This has to do with the EV market. EVs are the electrification of cars and different tools that people will need, like charging stations. On today, Blink Charging went up 12%. Second symbol is still fairly new. I wouldn't put too much stock into it. I wouldn't pay too much attention to it. It's Blade Air Mobility. It's still a small startup. I'm hesitant to talk about it a lot, but they basically do small flights from congested cities out to places like Nantucket. So if they're in Manhattan and they'd like to get out to Nantucket, some of the outskirts of New York and countryside, this is an air mobility type service. And the stock is up slightly to the 8.37%. Now, this stock pretty much trades between $7 and $10, but I wouldn't go too hard into Blade Mobility. Next ticker symbol we have is AMC. AMC again was up today 6.22%. And right now, AMC is pretty much fluctuating between $40 and $50 per share. It's not a whole lot to talk about, but there is some AMC, what they call apes, who just love holding the stock in the hopes that it'll go to $60 or $100 per share. Okay, so that's AMC. Next ticker symbol that I like, again, is Snap. Snap, many of us are familiar with Snap. It was at 3.85%. And I'm only up overall 1%. Snap is a stock that they have a lot of great hopes. They have a lot of good products in the pipeline, but they did get downgraded a few weeks back. And so the stock is down quite a bit from $70 per share down to 50 something per share. So that's Snap. And some other popular ones, Sonos, Sonos Audio is up today 2.98% on the day. This is a very popular product. They're basically speakers, and on the day they were up 3%. And one of my favorites here, SQ or Square. Square is one of the most popular fintech technology companies, and it is up 2.51% on the day. I think Square could still get back to $280 per share, but there's so much competition out there. Like Affirm and many other fintechs are keeping this market pretty busy. All right. The last ticker I'll talk about is Innovative Products and Innovative Industrial Properties, which on the day was up 2.40%. Innovative Industrial Properties is a property leasing firm, and so they lease out properties to the cannabis industry. So that's Innovative Industrial Properties, which I'm up against slightly today, 2.40%. So those were my top stocks in the day. And just take a quick look at my top cash gainers. There was only a few. In fact, on the day, I think I lost money in the portfolio. There was a few stocks that were up on the day. So let's take a look. Ticker symbol IIPR or Innovative Industrial Properties made a little over $43. And ticker symbol PPPL or PayPal was up $38. And Blink Charging, we talked about it. It was up over 11% today, made a little over $38. And lastly, Ford came in third place at $20, so made $20 today on Ford. So those were my top stocks of the day. Again, it was quite a bit of red out there. The RobinHood was down 1.55%. And I just wanted to mention Lucid Motors. They reported earnings today. So Lucid Motors, ticker symbol LCID, was earnings called today. So they reported revenue for the quarter. I didn't see a lot of activity on the stock after hours. So, I mean, I'm sure it probably was decent, but after hours, the stock was up slightly 1.60% on top of the 2.16%. So that was Lucid Motors. Again, this is another EV stock, electrification of vehicles. They are out of California. So if you want more information about Lucid Motors, go to ir.lucidmotors.com. And this is more of a luxury high-end vehicle. They are custom made and they cost anywhere, from 100,000 and more. And you can get more information again about Lucid Motors. Check out the presentation for today. Download that. And then also you can check out the earnings call if you like. So that earnings call today, you can listen to the earnings call for Q3, and which took place at 5 p.m. Eastern time today. So I want to thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. Please like, share, and we'll see you on the next video.